Today we're going to learn how to make scrambled eggs. So I have all my goodies out. I have a cup to break the eggs into. I have the eggs. I have a little bit of water that makes them fluffy, and a little bit of butter where I'm going to cook them in. Some of you might have non-stick pans and don't want to use butter, but I like to use butter in my non-stick pan because it gives it a little bit of flavor. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to break my eggs into the cup. Of course, check and make sure that there's no blood in your egg, in which we don't have. And I'm going to break the next one. Just pop that in the garbage can. I like to do this near the trash can or a receptacle of some sort, so I don't have to keep the eggs around. Both of my eggs look good. Before I do anything else, I have a bottle of hand sanitizer here because eggs are full of, raw egg is full of all kinds of bacteria. This is the hand sanitizer. You just wipe it like this. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to grab my towel here and wipe my hands so they're now sanitized and dried off. I'm going to drop, I use about a teaspoon per egg, my water into the eggs. And now I have a nice deep cup so I can beat these eggs really hard. And I don't have to worry about there being any sort of spillage or any problems like that. I just took a few seconds to beat those eggs and check it out. They're all beaten. Nice and good. There we go. I'll do another one just as a second because you don't want to end up with any of whole yolk or glop or anything like that in your eggs because they'll be gross. I've taken a pan. I've already put some butter in it. I'm going to turn on my stove here. Nice and high. Now I like to cook it on high because I like my scrambled eggs to get cooked really fast because usually it's for really starving, hungry children. And you know what? Your butter doesn't even need to melt because it's going to incorporate into the flavor of the egg. You take the mixed egg, you pop it into the pan, put that over there. We'll put that in the sink later. We have a high fire, so we're moving it around really quick. You want to keep the motion going. This is what keeps it scrambled. And you move it around, and your eggs are starting to puff up and starting to cook. My butter is melting within my scrambled egg. And I have it on the high fire. And all you do is mix it around some more. You can even leave it for a couple of seconds. Still mixing. They're just starting to firm up now. So, while you're waiting for this to cook, you can do this, and that's how you make scrambled eggs.